Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here in beautiful Seminole, Florida. I just had this car delivered to my shop, and when I talked with the client, she said to me, hey, it's been a while since I did the engine cleaning, and she's recently moved off the beach, and she now has a garage to keep the car in instead of having it parked outside. And I'm like, okay, I'll take a look. It's been a year. Do you think it's dirty? And she was like, well, maybe not. I don't ever look under the hood. And I said, okay, I'll check it out. She said, use your discretion. So I really thought it would be pretty clean, and I popped the hood. And I'm going to bring you in here. It's a little bit difficult for me to see the screen on the camera, but you can see the amount of dirt, sand, debris, everything else that is here because this car was on the beach. It's got just a layer and a coating of sand. Take you in here. This is all sand caught up and built up on every part basically of the motor. We've got a nice collection of leaves back there, and so yeah, this is the kind of time when you want to get things cleaned up in an engine bay. You're going to be able to detect leaks better. The engine is going to run a little cooler, being cleaner. Some of this sand and stuff, okay, maybe it's superficial, but another reason why I say that you want to have a nice clean engine bay is when you get the car serviced, even oil changes and things. When mechanics see that you don't take care of or, occasionally wipe off or anything, they know that you're not opening the engine. They know you're not really taking care of the vehicle. And I think, they may cut corners on you, as where if they see a nice, brilliantly kept motor, they might, put the coverings down on the fenders a little better, make sure they don't, bump up against anything, have maybe a cord or something touching your car. I think they just have a little more respect for you. Maybe that's just me. So this is just going to be the before video. I really literally started, taking the floor mats out, getting everything out of the interior. Got quite a bit of dirt. I'm going to try. This is one of those foam type mats that's a sound insulator, and they're a little tricky to clean. I'm going to get a brush on this and see if I can't clean this up, but I'll go through kind of the more of the process I use as I come back then on the after and show you the the much cleaner motor and engine bay. So anyway, thanks for being with me as always. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, and I will check back with you in a little bit, and we'll go over all the products used, the techniques used, and we'll button this up. Okay? Thanks. Bye.